Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Today I will show you how to design this business card easily. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page to design the business card. To do it, we have to click here. So friends, look at the screen attentively how I am doing it. After create a page, we have to click on this lock icon. After click on this lock icon, we have to select this layer and click on the right button of mouse. Then we have to click on the blending option. After click on the blending option, we have to click on the gradient overlay. Then we have to click on this box and select liner. After select liner, we have to double click on this box. After click on this, we have to click on the blue. After click on the blue, we have to select this gradient color from here. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to double click on color. After that, we have to select this color from here. Then we have to click on the OK. Now we have to select the pen tool from here. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then we have to press the Alt button from keyboard and click on this anchor point. Then we have to click on here, then here, and here, and here. After draw the shape, you have to select the shape. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. After click on the blending option, you have to select the gradient overlay from here. After select the gradient overlay, you have to click on this box. After click on this box, you have to select the blue folder from here. After that, you have to select this gradient color from here. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. After that, you have to select this layer again. Then you have to decrease the opacity from here. After decrease the opacity, you have to select this layer again. Then right click on this layer. Then select the blending option. Then you have to select the inner glow from here. Then you have to adjust the opacity from here. Then you have to increase the noise. Then you have to increase the soak. Then you have to click on the OK. Now you have to design other things of your business card. So look at the screen attentively how I am doing it. You can see here I am open some icon in my Photoshop. So now I have to add the icon. Now we have to select the text tool and write our number in here. After write our number in here, we have to select the text tool again and write our email in here. Then we have to select the text tool again. Then we have to write our website name in here. Now we have to select the text tool again. Then we have to write our location in here. After that, we have to double click on our number. Then we have to select the color from here. After that, we have to select the pen tool and double click on this text. Then select the white color from here. Then we have to double click on this text. Then select the white color again. After that, we have to open our logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. Now we have to set our logo in our business card. After set the logo, we have to click on this tick button. Then select the text tool. Then click on here. After click on here, we have to write our company name. Since I don't have any company, so I am writing my YouTube channel name here. After write your company name, you have to click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool. Then increase the size of this text. So friends, after all of that, you have to select the background layer from here. Then right click on mouse. Then select the blending option from here. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the box. Then select radial from here. After that, you have to double click on this box. Then click on the blue again. Then select this gradient color from here. Then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. So friends, you can see our business card design is completed. So now we have to set this business card on a mockup. So I am open a mockup from my PC. After open the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select all layer from here. Then click on the backspace button. After that, you have to select the project where you have designing your business card. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then drag all layers in this project. Now you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to click on the tick button. Then you have to press Ctrl+S button from the keyboard. So friends, in this way you can design a business card easily. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.